These videos are made possible by people like Reggie, who is one of my Patreons. Thank you very much, Reggie, for your ongoing support. If you want to join Patreon and just say thanks for these videos, see the Patreon link in the description box below. I have tiers starting from just £1 per month.
Hello. Right. Well, so all my sort of like things to embroider onto the veil, the tulle, that is all ready to put on. However, I've been looking at it and I really, really, really do not like this bit. I really don't like it. So I'm going to cut it off. Yeah, live on camera. Yeah, there was just something about it I wasn't vibing with. So I decided just to take it off. Am I going to regret it? Possibly. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go round and just trim as close to that ribbon as possible. And the thing is, I have to use the ribbon. So what I'm thinking is that I use it as a trim on the top. I said I was going to do this live, but actually it's going to take a lot of concentration. So I'll be back when I've done it. Ta-da! Was that a mistake? Well, I'm not sewing it back on now. If that was a mistake. So back to square one. So I think this is going to sit a lot nicer now. I mean, it's not perfect, but it just sits nicer on the face. Can you see what I mean? So what I think now is I'm gonna, still don't fully know exactly how to do this, but I'm thinking this braid on here, I just don't know how, because it wants to be enough that you can see the pattern. Let me adjust this and then I'll be back. Right, so I've just pinned the braid on, and sorry for that, I've just knocked my mic. I think it still gives that edge, which I like, but it's a lot freer, if that makes any sense. So what I'm thinking is sewing this down, and then I'm going to be putting like along the edge, like these along the edge with the petals and the leaves and everything. I'll see how that weighs. So here we go. Wish me luck. So, yes, what I've done is, I don't know how much you can see this, but I have decided to take these side bits off So these are actually separate now, which actually makes it a lot easier to make them kind of remotely symmetrical. So what I need to do now is sew all this down and then start doing a design using these like things at the I was thinking just at the front. I'll see if I can zoom in post to see if you can see that, and then I'm also thinking, how do I attach it to the head? So I have this thick cream ribbon, so I'm thinking like to do it on the inside so it kind of comes like this and ties underneath the chin or at the back of the head, and putting an elastic in as well. So still so much to do, but it's starting to come together. I'm loving how the front veil thing is looking now, so that's a plus. Yeah, so I'm going to sew that down. I'm going to make a little design using the things at the front here, and then it's head fitting and then attaching the flowers to the top. What I did with because this pink ribbon is one of the compulsory items that you have to use, so I've made some sort of like thing with it which I'll nestle in with the flowers, and then I have veiling as well that has to go on. Oh my god, there is so much still to do. Right, let's crack on with this. Actually, no, I'm gonna have some lunch, then I'm gonna crack on with this. Yeah. Okay, we're finally on the last stretch of all this. So I have my piece all sewn down. I've added all the ribbons on the inside and some hat elastic and things like that. So now it's about positioning the flowers. So let's just attach this hat. How does that look? No. Right. This is going to take me a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I thought it was nearly done. Clearly I'm not. So let me just change the camera angle so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to start playing around with this so you can see in real time what I'm doing. I also have this veiling, so I'm going to actually use this veiling as like as a gather to hide or disguise. It won't hide, but it'll disguise any of the wire work at the back. So let me deal with this. Okay, so I meant to press record because it ran out of battery or memory. So transferred everything across. I thought I was recording, I didn't. But I have arranged it in a way that A, looks good, and B, has all the required elements, hides all the inner workings, and I have tried this on, and it looks, on this head, it's quite heavy at the front. On an actual head, it's perfectly fine, because I went and tried it on and I was like, is it too heavy? But it's actually perfectly fine. And in fact, I probably don't even need these. They didn't look right, but I'm keeping them because I just think it'll look nice from the back. It'll also hide the elastic as well. I think that'll look really nice. You know, if you did something like that and bobby pinned it at the back of the hair, and had that flow so your hair was over it and had it flowing from underneath your hair, I think that would look really nice. So I am gonna go ahead and on camera, because actually no, I'm gonna do it off camera because this video is long enough. It's 2 parts already, so I'm gonna sew this off camera. I'm gonna sew, because if you look, I've got pins here and there just to like position the veiling and this tool exactly where I want it. So I'm gonna crack on, do that, and then I'm done. I think I might need to put a comb in, and the thing is, I've still got one of these left over as well, so I could make something with this, but not on this hat. But I still got another flower that I can use in a future piece, so that is good. So next time you see me, I'll finish this, and yeah, that's where we are. Oh my god, this has been a long time coming. And she is done. She is looking hella cute. This has been an absolute labour of love. I'm going to put some images on the screen now of when I took kind of a bit more professional photos than what you're seeing on the video now. I absolutely love this. One thing that would make it better if it was in neon. So yeah, I ended up adding an extra flower just here, so I ended up adding this big flower, feather flower. There was a bit of a gap, so I was like, right, it just needs to be filled. This has been like, even down to like the ends of these, I kind of hand finished just to make them, I don't know, I hand sewed it. Everything has been hand sewed, handmade, and I love it. I absolutely love it. She's looking cute, she's looking sexy, she's looking, I don't know, I can't think of any other words. And my hair is still a mess, so apologies. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. You was lucky this week, you got 2 videos this week because my video was super long, and I think in future I'm going to do that when I've got long videos, because I've realised a lot of the videos I've been putting out prior were like 35 to 40 minutes, and that's a long time. So I'm trying to, if the video is going to be longer, I'm probably going to put them out in 2 videos in 1 week, so it's a bit more short, so keep them like under the 20-minute mark. So yeah, if you like this and you want to support this channel, my Patreon is linked down below, and if you want to support me in a free way, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to be notified when I put videos out in future. My socials are down below, they're on the screen now and on the end card. So I'm going to try and sort this hair out, this fringe. I have no idea, I don't even know what I'm going to do. I can't even straighten it because I look like a page boy. So yeah, there is that. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I will see you next week. What is next week? I don't know. I can't remember. But I've got another video coming out next week. So I will see you then. Bye.